Hi, now in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL in Windows operating system. Go to MySQL and click downloads button, navigate to downloads and then come down, go to the last and see MySQL community GPL downloads. These are all enterprise edition, these are all paid versions. This is the one open source. You can download and install and use forever free. After clicking that MySQL community GPL downloads, this will open. In this one, there are a lot of variations available. In this variation, select MySQL installer for Windows. This is the one you need to select. Workbench shell and everything it will be installed by from this alone. This one command file. Select this as second one. After selecting the second one, that biggest file size, and then here there are two options: login and sign up. No need to login or no need to sign up. Just here say no thanks. Just start my download. Depends upon the internet speed. It will take time. Now my internet speed is high, so it is almost download is completed. Only 1 second is left. Yes, now it is completed because you may not see because it is below the recording screen. It is. Yes, now it is downloaded and saved. I am click open. In Windows, there are two things you have to remember. If suppose if you are installed that MySQL or XAMPP Apache server, you need to port name change it. Okay, let us come to that later. Now in this one you have to choose which one you want: developer default or server only, client only, full or custom. I have choose developer default and I suggest developer default this will install all the packages required. Otherwise if you see custom you can't able to select which one is required, full also and client only it will limit some of the packages. That's why I suggest by default keep this developer default. Click next and then these are all the packages it is going to install. And one more thing, if suppose if anybody is having some issue, please refer how to uninstall MySQL completely in this channel. I already uploaded. Because if you are not remembering the password, I will tell you later in this section it will ask, then it will you have to uninstall and install. There is no way around shortcut for that. Password is most important. Okay, now I will tell you later. Now this how many apps? One, two. There are 12 apps. It is going to install. Just click execute. After execute, it will start installing one by one. Again, depends upon the internet speed. It will also download and also it will install. I will resume after all installation is complete. Yes. Now it is all the package installation is completed. Now click next. Now this will going to configure server, router and samples and examples. This includes the workbench. As I told maybe previously that if you are in Windows, those who are installed Apache and XAMPP server, it may give some complications that 3306 port is used by both MySQL of Apache XAMPP and this MySQL server. So any one of this you have to change it. That you have to keep remember. If you are running both at a time, then click next. Now this will ask for strong password. Now just stop a minute, spend your time, note down this password somewhere. If you are having that full memory, no problem. But again, I am repeating, please, this is my suggestion. Note down the password. Don't take it uh, like it's not that much important, but it is actually much more important. Otherwise, keep a simple password. Even that one, you have to 100% you have to keep remember. So again, I'm telling my suggestion. Please keep remember this password. Note it down. Note it down. Note it down. Otherwise, again you have to reinstall and install. That is 100% sure. Then click next. If you want to add user now itself, otherwise you can click next. It will add a default user. You can add more users in future. You can delete that user also, but only thing important is this password. Only important is, again I am telling, only important part of this is the password part. This password part is important. Just keep it remember and note it down. Not remember, note it down. Click next. Then it will standard system account custom user. Okay, everything is keep as it is. No need to do anything. Only remember password. Only note it down password. Configuration steps. This will do. Click just execute. This will configure. Our part is over. Those, again I'm telling, those who are having struggle with the password issue, just refer our another video of uninstall completely of MySQL. If you uninstall partly, then again it will give you issue. You have to uninstall completely, or then only the password issue will resolve. Now finish. Click next. This is port configuration. Just leave it default. We don't need to do anything. Now you have to give password. Now you see standalone server is running. Already server started running. You have to, yes, if password is success, then it will show connection successful. Then any features install that need configure run scripts. Okay, just execute. That's all. It's a default configuration. Our part side is password. Finish. Now everything is completed. Configuration. The installation procedure has been completed. Copy log to the clipboard. If you want to, you can copy the log. Otherwise, just click finish. No need to do anything. Now this will open MySQL shell. Okay, this is the shell and this is the workbench. The password that this is the users I already created, that will show now. If you want to create a new user, go to the file, new model, new query tab. Here you can click whatever you want. Just click view home. Here you can see, as I told, password is must. Now this is open. This is the default produced by this table, produced by the MySQL. You can work around with this. Refer further videos how to familiar with MySQL commands and classes. Thanks for watching.